Have you ever wondered why some people snore so loudly when they sleep? Most people think it's just a funny noise or a weird sleeping position, but it actually starts deep in the throat. So what's really causing that sound? I'll explain. But before I tell you what happens next, if you love money more than your mom, ignore this. But if you love your mom more than money, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, and comment, "I love you, mom." When you fall asleep, your throat muscles relax and narrow the airway. As air struggles to pass through, the soft tissue vibrates, creating the snoring sound.